Community colleges today are more relevant than ever before. And this has been a real landmark institution in St. Joe County.
In addition to our staff, obviously a project like this takes hundreds of tradesmen. I'll tell you, in 20 years of doing this, we had some of the finest tradesmen, probably Southwest Michigan, that helped pull this off.
It's always exciting to have a new project, especially this being such a fast-paced job. The challenges that go with that are kind of exciting.
This is a huge impact in our community as we look and see the future of where they will be providing the next generation workforce.
I look at this building, and maybe it's my age speaking a little bit, but I see that this building represents leadership. I see that this building represents vision. I see this building representing persistence.
This, in my opinion, is that next step, that next piece of the puzzle that will really turn the corner for Glen Oaks students here to not only bring our hometown kids here, but to bring people from outside and do what Glen Oaks does the best, educate them for their next step in life, whatever that is.
You know, I just learned a long time ago, you can make almost anything happen. And the time you have to do it, with the people you have to do it, and you just set your mind to it, and you focus on that, and you never waver. And you know what? You come to the day.